In Angular, we can use event listeners. These are functions that will be called every time an event occurs. We just need to specify which event we want to use and put parentheses. For example, on an input element, we can listen for the keyup event, this one, and when it occurs, we can call our event handler on keyup. And we will define this function here in code. And for example, we'll call console log and print here on key up. Okay, we will run our application to test this and just serve. Let's open browser. And here we have one input. And let's test key up. And if we write test, we have 4 times this message. This means that it works. We detected key up event, but we don't have any other information about this event. But we maybe want to know which key is pressed or something like that. Okay, let's go in template. And in Angular template, $event is a special template variable that represents the event object, in our case emitted by a DOM event, but can be also emitted by custom event. We will pass this variable as parameter here in handler. To see which information we have inside, we will define here in code one parameter, event, and type will be event. And we can simply print here in console our event and save, open browser, refresh page, and type test. And we can see our event object is printed here. Here we have all information about target, key, char code, key code, and everything else. For every key up, we have one raised event, TEST, we can see. And this with event handlers could be very useful, and we will now test another example here. We will try with button, and here we will catch click event, and we will call handler on click. Let's define this. And we will copy this and only change here click. Everything will be same. Okay, and only here we forgot $event. Save. Now it works. Go in browser. We can see we missed here some label. In template here we will add test. Save. Now looks better. And click on this button. And we can see we have here event, our event object with all information also. And that's it basically. We learned how we can use event listeners in Angular template. So That is that. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.